What is cracking? Are you cracking? I'm cracking. It's Josh here with Deprived Productions back in Blender with a 13th modeling tutorial. Now, we're going to talk about a couple new modifiers today. We're going to talk about mesh transformation modifiers. And when I say that, I'm talking about a couple in particular that will literally completely rearrange your mesh. And don't you worry, we're going to dive deep into it. Let me show you the first one. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this box and delete it and bring in a ball, a UV sphere. You know what I'm talking about? Now, you know what? I'm kind of weird. Shift A one more again. Bring cube back in. That's my bad. Let's grab it on the Y. Bring it over here like that. I like the ball on the left. You know what I'm talking about? You can see what's going on there. Now, what we need to do is we're going to smooth these out. Okay, we're going to smooth that bad baby out. That one's selected. Smooth that one out. Now we got the ball. We got the box. And what we can do is we can go real quick to the materials with the ball selected. Press new. I went to the material tab here. Make this ball green, bro. You know what I'm talking about? Then grab the box. Press new, same thing, make it red, sun, okay? We got a red box, we got a green ball, okay? Now what we're gonna do is with the ball selected, let's go into the modifiers tab, right, and add a modifier. The first one I wanna show you is freaking sweet. I want you to go down to wireframe. Boom! Son, you already see what it's doing. I don't even have to explain to you what happened there. But we pull this out a little bit here. You know what I'm talking about? Pull it out a little bit. Reselect the ball. Okay, you see what's going on there. If you press tab and go back into edit mode, you're going to lose what you've done unless you apply it. So remember that. Make sure you're in object mode so you can see it. We can change the thickness like a wire now, bro. You know what I'm talking about? It's literally like a wire. Or make it all thick. And be careful going too thick. You can see it turn into a porcupine. And you don't want a porcupine, bro. You want a little wireframe. Now let's leave that alone and go over to the box, okay? You can imagine the things will be the same way. I got the modifier, go to the modifier, grab the wireframe, and boom. Now the thing is, it looks like a couple wires. We're gonna pull it out. Now what's kind of cool about this is you have a couple other options. You got the offset, which is gonna change the size, really. That's what's going on there. And again, I really don't mess with that. And then of course you got the even thickness, which I'm assuming is just making all the different walls the same thickness so they even, brah. Now, we got a box, but imagine you want to keep the original so you can see one and see the other inside of it. You can uncheck that, and it's kind of like you got both meshes. Now, that may not work very well because that's not going to be very clean when you're finished, but it does kind of look neat, which means you can go back over here to the ball and do the same thing, and you got both of them, bro. You got a ball inside of a ball made out of wires. You got two balls, one out of wires. But the point is, that may not really do exactly what you want it to. But if we get rid of those, if we just get rid of those and just look at our wireframe a little bit, imagine it would have taken a little bit more work to do that with your mesh that you started with, and it's freaking sweet. So now what's cool is I can actually apply it. And now when I go into edit mode by pressing tab, I can go to like faces or whatever and select a face and do stuff with it, bro. You know what I mean? Don't do that, okay? Don't do that though. Let's delete this ball. Let's delete this box. Now I want to talk to you about this second one. We're talking about two today, and this next one is freaking sweet. We're gonna get another ball. Shift A, get the ball. There's your ball, and then Shift A one more again. Now go to mesh and go down to torus. Okay. Well, hey, hold on. You got to grab it on the Y. Bring it over here a little bit. Okay. Now make sure you grab it on the Y. It stays on the Y axis. You know what I'm talking about? Bring it over here. We'll go ahead and get weird with it. Make a material. Press new. Make this ball purple. I mean, it might be pink purple. It's gonna be pink. It's a little bit of both. Make a little yellow ring here, bro. Sonic style. Can't be scared of that, okay? I got a yellow ring. I got a pink thing. Now, here we can right-click, make them smooth, but so look at it. You got to make sure you have the right one selected. If you don't, it's going to make the wrong one flat or smooth or whatever. But look, while the ball is selected, let's keep it flat. I want you to see what's going on. So I want to make sure both of these are actually flat. They're not smoothened out. You can see the faces on the mesh. And again, we're just doing this for purposes of the video. Let's go back to this tab. Let's go to add modifier. One more again, son. Okay? We've been here before, I think. Now, we've been talking about remeshing, but the wireframe wasn't actually the remesh modifier, but this is the remesh modifier. Let's make sure we have the ball selected. Add modifier, remesh. You can automatically see what happened there. It changed the faces, because if I actually get rid of it, you can see what's going on there, right? So let's add it again. I got rid of it there, just remesh. And it's got a few options. Now, you got to be careful. If you accidentally crank this up, bro, I was earlier when I was trying to do this, I set it to like 32 and my whole computer exploded. I had to buy a new one. But if I set it to just 2, right? You can see what's kind of going on there. You can see what it's doing. It's set to sharp, okay? You got a couple options. You can set it to smooth. It's going to kind of keep it smooth, bro. We can set it to 5 on this one, just 5. Don't overdo it. And it's pretty much a ball again. Well, let's go to blocks. Boom. You seen Minecraft, bro? You ever played Minecraft? You got to kill a little bit of oxygen there, bro. Now, again, that's at 5. So if I go to 7, it's not playing around, son. That's a lot of blocks. Now, I want you to see what's going on right here. All kind all kind of blocks, all kind of faces, because it's actually just one model. It's not like a bunch of blocks like in Minecraft. But that number 7, I accidentally set to 32. I just want you to think about that for a second. Okay, you're done thinking? Let's set it back to 3, okay? And there you got a little block with a couple blocks coming out of it. Let's get real with it. Let's go over to the ring, do the same thing, add modifier Remesh, okay, if I can find it. You can see it's all kind of strange looking. You can get weird. Let's go ahead and go right to the blocks. I mean, that's weird. I'm not going to lie, but I think it's freaking sweet that they have some algorithm built that knows exactly how to do that, because I do not know how to do that. I don't. I'm going to set this forward to the number 8, bro. What's going on now? I got my ring back, but it's all kind of blocklets. All kind of block droplets. Now, if I'm inside of it, I'm running an Eevee, so the shadow sucks. But the point is, that's because the light's in the wrong place. But you can still see all these blocks, son. You know what I'm talking about? If I pull out of Eevee and just go into the regular thing here, you can kind of see what's going on if I go inside, bro. It's a tunnel of nonsense. And again, I just want to point out that this is literally doing a lot of the work for you. If you apply, you can go to edit mode now, and my God, there's too many faces. You're going to have to go through and talk about other modifiers that we've already talked about. You guys remember, we have the decimation modifier for when you want to get rid of stuff. But the point is, I'm going to go back to my ball. And I'm not going to be scared, guy. Okay, I'm not going to be scared, guy. I'm going to set it to the number 10, and I'm going to press enter. I'm just going to wait. I'm going to be patient. 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 Oh, my God. Look what I've done. Look what I've done, guys. Okay? I got this 2080. I got that super. Thank God, because if not, I'd be in serious trouble. There's so many faces now it's broken. We're going to go ahead and just get rid of that, and I'm sorry. But the point is, it's freaking sweet, dude. And like I said, you could set this thing down to, imagine if we set it down to 2. It's going to try to make that ring the best it can. And that didn't even make a ring, okay? We're going to argue that. I'm not arguing with you. Okay, if I set it to 3, it's trying real hard. I think once you set it to about 5, you got a little bit of a real generic Sonic ring there, low poly, except way too many triangles. It's like a modeler, but he's real bad at it. Like, real bad at it. Okay, but guys, anyway, there you go. You got a couple different looks. You know what I'm talking about? We made them a different color, and then we got out of Eevee. It looked all bland, so let's go back. Oh, no, didn't mean to do that. Guys, again, thanks for watching. Josh here with Deprived Productions. Hit up the YouTube channel, Deprived Productions. Hit up Facebook, Deprived Productions. We need people to hit us up on SoundCloud, man. We got links all over the page. If you definitely want to support us, hit up SoundCloud, Deprived 2018. We are on there all day. Deprived, capital D at the beginning, capital D at the end, all kind of free music you can buy. We got 2 EPs out. But yeah, man, we're trying to get those numbers up. We'd really appreciate it. We love you guys. I hope this showed you a couple things, because we're getting ready to jump deep. And I've said this for 3 tutorials now. We're getting ready to jump deep into the Minecraft UE4 series. But I've been showing you guys a couple tricks, okay? Little blocky tricks, little blocks, okay? Got little blocks right here, little blocks over here, but that ain't blocks. But you know I can do it, bro. You know I just did it. Don't test, don't threaten me with a good time, okay? I got a little blocky ball. You ever seen a blocky ball? Well, there it is, okay? Don't argue with that, and that's something. But guys, again, seriously, thank you so much for watching. I'm out of here. I got to go. I'll see you in just a few days. I'm thinking maybe Wednesday, Thursday, or back in the Minecraft, because now we've kind of covered everything that needs to be covered to jump in deep, okay? Love you, miss ya. Peace.